Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn machine learning in the simplest way possible. Can machines learn like us? What if computers could learn from experience? Instead of programming them for every situation, like what exactly to do in every situation, we give it data and it can learn from that data on its own. So this is the basic core idea behind machine learning. So if we talk about the definition according to the computer scientist Mr. Arthur Samuel, machine learning is the field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. So now we have learned what is the core idea behind machine learning. Let's try to understand how it works. So it's a simple flow. We take data, we select an algorithm, we train the algorithm using the data that we have selected. The algorithm tries to improve itself based on the data, and we are ready with a model or a system that can make prediction. Let's try to understand it using an example. Suppose I want to create a system that can identify if there is a dog in the image or a cat in the image. So for that, first I will have to collect data. So for data, what I will do, I will have multiple images of dogs and cats. Now we are ready with our data set of all the images of dogs and cats. Next is to select an algorithm. So the algorithm is nothing but a predefined mathematical functions. There are many algorithms that are available using many libraries in machine learning. We can select any of those algorithms based on what problem we are trying to solve and what type of data we are using. Like here we are trying to identify using images. So based on that we can select an algorithm. So after selecting an algorithm, the part comes is to train that algorithm. So training is nothing but a process where we provide all the data that we have collected to the algorithm that we have selected. So it is an iterative process. So what I mean by iterative is that we create small subsets of the data that we have and we provide those subsets to our algorithm one by one. So when we are providing these subsets to our algorithm one by one, the algorithm will try to understand patterns in those subsets. So this is the process that we call training. During training, the algorithm will also improve itself. So what will happen is that for each of the example that we are providing to the algorithm, each of the subset of data that we are providing to the algorithm will predict an output, and the output that the algorithm has predicted, we will compare that output with the actual answer. Let's say we provide an image of a dog to the algorithm and algorithm predicts a dog. So that says that whatever model predicted, whatever algorithm predicted, that is actually true. So in that case, the algorithm will save all the learnings, all the feature it learned during the training process. If we provide an image of dog and the algorithm predicts a cat, which makes the answer wrong, the algorithm has to change its learning. So it is a continuous process of improving the algorithm. So after algorithm, the final part is to predict. So after training our algorithm using all the data that we have, we are ready with a system or a model that is ready to make prediction. So finally, to sum up, what we did is that we collected many images of dogs and cats as our data set. We selected one algorithm, we trained that algorithm using the data set that we collected. The algorithm learned all the patterns from the data, and now we are ready with a system which can identify if there is a dog in the image or a cat in the image. So this was just the basic idea. In the next video we will talk about types of machine learning algorithm and how those algorithms learn based on different types of data. So please subscribe to Absolute AI. Thank you.